You arrive at this video because you have these questions. Can I learn the piano on my own? Can my kids learn piano at home? If these questions pop up on your head, then this is the good news. The answer is yes. If you cannot attend the formal lessons, you can learn piano on your own at your home. There are lots of applications and online lessons to play the piano. Here are 4 best applications and online lessons you can choose. 1. Pianoforall online lesson. Now anyone can learn piano or keyboard. Pianoforall is one of the most popular piano courses online and has now taught more than 250,000 students worldwide since 2006. Pianoforall is specially designed to take complete beginners to an intermediate level faster than any other method. The course is divided into 9 very easy-to-follow sections. The courses comes with exceptional supplemental material. Each video has an accompanying PDF that you can print out and set on your keyboard. Most students who followed this lesson found this course to be entertaining and practical. It stated that you only need to practice 20 minutes a day to make rapid progress. 2. The Ultimate Piano Chords Course, for piano and keyboard, online lesson. This course promised, by the end, you'll be able to play a selection of famous songs, and have the skills and ability to print off your own favorite songs and play them by just following the piano chord symbols. This course is for beginners on the piano. Along the way you will learn about different kinds of rhythms, playing patterns and techniques that can be applied to the chords. By the end you'll be able to play the piano by reading a chord sheet, but sound like a pro. 3. Piano Academy applications. Their slogan is "From Zero to Piano Hero." This course is really for beginner who didn't have music background but want to be able to play the piano. Piano Academy is for anyone who's looking to learn the piano from scratch, or for those who have prior knowledge and want to continue learning by practice playing along to their favorite songs. The app also supports MIDI connection, and it can even detect the notes you play if you have an acoustic or electronic piano. You can watch tutorial videos introduced to you by your personal instructor, teaching you theory topics like notes, the staff, chords, and much more. Like other application, it is offered free and premium. 4. Simply Piano applications. Simply Piano is a piano learning app developed by JoyTunes. Their goal for Simply Piano was to create an educational and fun app for learning piano quickly and easily. Simply Piano is not compatible with computers, so you will need a mobile device or tablet. I recommend that you should use tablet since the larger screen is easier on the eyes while practicing. Simply Piano currently has 27 different courses divided into 2 streams, soloist and chords. The song library has hundreds of songs to choose. Though students are free to select the courses at the level they choose, the courses do not allow you to skip sections that you don't need to practice. Simply Piano can be used by both kids and adults. All ages will find the format easy to use and appealing, and kids will like the colorful design and images. All the online courses have 30 days money-back guarantee. Therefore you have 30 days to consider whether it is worth for your money or not. The application is free for the first installed, but you have to pay monthly or annually to get more lessons. Thanks for watching.